Hello everyone. Hello, my people, my lovely people. If you have not subscribed for my YouTube, go and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that una go dey hear many ogbonge news wey dey come at my people. This video wey me see today, you know when you get some kind of things wey you go see you shocked eyes. When I see this video, cold enter my body. I say, Jesus, they see this kind thing. My people, you know say when we will dey do things now, we go forget say we get children. Tomorrow our children they come see all those things. Those video not they comot. It be like one video when I see that time where one girl when they rain that time naked they dance for party they do anything when they like. But today now the video they everywhere. That video don dey social media it can never comot. So if we dey do this, maybe we dey think tomorrow. Maybe we dey think say we get children. Maybe we dey think say our children will come see this thing tomorrow. Because not think say you dey enjoy it now, but later all those things you will come dey regret am. Even though they dey show am, but they say make dem show am, you not send this that. You send, my dear, you send. You go regret am later, no be now. Later you must regret am because your children they grow. The more that they grow, the more you know now. Facebook, the one enter Facebook, the one enter YouTube, the one enter Twitter, the one enter Instagram, the one enter everywhere. From there they will come see their mother. How una feel say go be with their friends, go they love them. So maybe they behave well, my people. Now one video we me see now make me they talk all those things. Where one woman, 3 men, they jogodo this woman at the same time. 3 men, not be say one, not be say 2, 3. They say now her work now. What did she just they do now? Be that one. What did she just they do now? Be that one. 3 men, they jogodo her at the same time. Not be say maybe 1 now 3. And according to what me here, they say now your husband they are aware of those things which she did do. Obviously, maybe she just they carry the do and say your husband is there away. I say, how can the husband go let your wife they do all those things? Say make it they sleep around, make they sleep with make they do jogodo with different men. And I say, I wear that one for the app. The thing called they surprise me. It called they surprise me, my people. 3 men, if you not see this video, when I go shock lies. If you don't want to see the video, more on private chat, I will send them the video because I know if you put them for YouTube, YouTube not they grow those kind of things. When I see the video, I go enter my body. 3 men. If you see them, one they jogo do her from back, one they in front, they put mouth for that one John Thomas. Then the other one they use down the Robbie Bobby. Not be small thing, my people. Because this one I enjoyment. What you call they worry this woman? This woman get husband. They get money. If you see their house, if you see where they live, they say now work. Now what she just they do now be that one. I say, how can it? Suppose she want to do all those things. No, you're married there. She get 3 children. This woman. Your husband now they say now your husband they tell her make she did one. According to what we consider, they say against society where the husband put her. I say and you know the funny part of it, this woman was born and brought up in a Christian home. So what do you not think say na enter this woman, my people? What do you not think? Me the reason say what it can happen to this woman where be say she can't change, can't they do all those things? That they say na even church, na the husband for Siam, his sister, na they talk am so. He said na church, your husband for Siam. No be say maybe if they evil they now those guys so they do yahoo, nothing like that. His mama trained them well. When I go listen to his sister message, wait, sister sent to her. His sister say he don't know what to come. He say they even shame to waka. He say all of them they love them. They don't know what to do again. They don't talk, they don't tire. He say his sister even block them. They don't they feel hear from her again because he blocked them. You know they talk to them because they advise her. Even your husband, they go call your husband and say, I make you talk to your wife. Your husband know they talk because now what 2 of them they do together, my people. What do you think say they make this woman do this thing, my people? When I think say this woman need deliverance, because now waiting me think and the reason I'm not sure say that deliverance this woman need. When I not reason like that, because now waiting me the reason. I never see where you might be. Go just sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down. You go say one begin the jogodo three me at the same time. Sister say one day when you see Facebook or Instagram, you say you see message, you can go through comment. Now she see message people take they book her down. People they book her. Say they will come. See the day when they want come. 3 men. They say now what she just they do now be that one. You know they feel do 1, 3 at the same time. Hey, not one person not go see for social media, my people. Not one person not go see. You know, say you they do and now you they happy. Your children won't call. Your children go grow, come see all those things. Maybe they live where your children come see all those things. So don't think and see your children not go come, eh? Your children go come see all those things. Maybe they behave well. Maybe we change for our bad attitude. Eh? How can the woman go just dance, then go say one begin the joke to three me at the same time? Are you kidding me right now? Eh? Wetin come over this woman? When I go say the message, sister they cry. Say mama don't cry, mama don't pray, mama don't tire. Mama don't know what to do again. Even when they send the message, mama they cough, serious cough. Because they say the woman don't cry, she don't tire. You don't talk, you don't tire. You block all of them. Mama not the feel reach her again, nothing. Wait till your mama do you reach like this, where you disgrace her like this, you this woman. Wait till your mama do you like this. Now so your mama take train they even born you for Christian home. Not be say now bad thing they do when they bring you come this life. Now this one that they talk when you more than get bewa. Eh? Now so the other one that one you see the husband ask with belly he go the jogo do on that man. Now so the husband begin the video that one too. Eh? Okay, did that video not don't go viral, don't go everywhere. If your pikin when you carry for that belly, come see that pikin tomorrow, uncle, how you go feel? How you go feel? How you think say that pikin go feel? You not go there ashamed of yourself. You go feel even they call you a mother. Make una the reason what una they do. What did they enter una? Una not they satisfied with una husband? Me I no understand. Eh? We be say una go just sit down. Say that this woman will control wars past 3 men. If una need the video, more than private chat me, I will send her for una. Really, 3 men. Then this woman the jogo do 3 men. I go drop my number for you. So anybody who need the video, may you just private chat me. I will send her for her. More than share this video, may it go viral. Which kind that is man play the record where sister take the same message to her and say make it change. You don't know what to come over her. Which can't be all those ones? How can somebody go just dance and go say that he want to begin the jogo do 3 men at the same time? Who does that? One at this thing. Between you. I feel for a sister. They even shed tears when I be listening just now. I have to record all those ones. For one woman where they talk about him too. Is this that they feel bad? Is this that not even know what to do again? I feel for a sister. Yeah. That person where they cough now, mama. They cough because the woman don't cry, she don't tired. The woman don't cry, don't tired. Maybe we put this woman for prayer. She's saying our deliverance. I never see where you might be able to sit down. See now, you want to do the jogo do 3 men. Oh. I feel for the woman, my people. Wow.
It is the pride of any mother
Yeah.
to have her child become a celebrity.
Yes. I'm proud of every mother, but in a positive way, not be like this. It's not only the two of them, and be the two daughters where their mother girls. Big disgrace. You know what you want? They go through comments of the sister on Facebook. And they see people they book down. He brought her up for church. And he goes school, do masters. What you could just come over this school, mama? A Christian for that matter, my people. What you can change now? Now yours, man. Listen, they pray me no go marry and hear me for a house. How can a man go allow a wife to do this kind of thing, my people? He yours, man. Hey. I feel for the sister. Mama, they cry. The woman don't cry, tired. She say they call. I feel for the mother. I feel for her really, because I believe that an evil spirit now enter this woman. Because normal you might be not just sit down, say you want to begin the jogodo 3 men at the same time, my people. I feel for the mother, son. So whether you get conscious, say still love her, they put her for prayer. If they walk out for road, all of the people go they laugh, they say, oh, when I sister the jogodo the 3 men. Maybe even one. They say now many men you call they call her now. I know some this kind of things. Now our men they like. Many men now they call her that they book. The one conjugal my people. Say no, remember the last time when you talked to her about it as a sister. He blocked them. Then the Lord is here. He blocked the whole family. He blocked everybody. Because he want to live a life. You get children. Feel for your children now. Aries, feel for your children, please. Yours one, I told you to pass. Yours one. I call me no pass.
He has tried to reach out to you. You always say, Hakuna shida, iko sawa. You're also playing into the game. There are 2 things.
Which money is somebody make? Where yours allowed to do this kind of thing? I've been waiting society wey dem dey go dey enter. I been waiting the same she dey do with this one for her own price.
Scott, I blame you.
Yeah. Sister saying blame your husband.
What kind of a seed are you planting? What kind of a seed are you planting into this case? What kind of a seed are you leaving behind, you Scott? Scott, I blame you. Harriet used to be a good lady. But the moment your people relocated to Egypt, Harriet came back talking about goodness and water. I don't even understand.
He said they relocate to Egypt.
Scott,
He said now he take change.
took Harriet from church.
He said she not be like that
When you're
before.
from church,
He said she not be like that before.
that's age. But anyway, I know you don't believe in God, but at least there is a conscience. There is a conscience. I know you won't receive my message in a good way. I know you're going to bash me. I know you're going to call me names. But at least wacha nibaki huyo mmoja kwa familia mwenye alikuambia ukweli.
I feel for his sister.
I told you my truth, and that is the truth I can tell you. You are treating in a wrong way.
I feel for his sister. I'm not done their beer, their beer.
Can I even show my kids?
He said go fit show a kiss. I ain't go fit show a kiss. This kind of video, make them see.
This is your Senga. This is your Jaja. Oh, Jaja. Oh.
I feel for the sister. I feel for her. I say, sister, I love you. I love
And I'll
you.
continue
I
praying
love
for you.
you.
I'll continue praying for you, sis.
I just feel for the sister, bro. The thing what make me cry.
But I beg you in the name of God. Can you just quit for the sake of now? Can you just quit for the sake of that woman? Can you just remember, so far we are the only two daughters to that woman. Me and you, you and me. And any mother cries is usually her daughter. Do you think great woman can stand in front of people and say majestically,
He said she not go fit stand for front of people now, make sure they walk like a responsible person. But his sister, people go dey laugh her.
Harriet, we had broken. Harriet,
My people, una don lis ten to the voice record. I feel for his sister. I feel for her. My people, what the person never see, never waka reach there, never waka reach there. My people, he never waka reach there. My lovely people, I feel for the sister. I feel for the family. It's not easy. We will continue to pray for this his sister, because now something me believe say e enter her. She don't know what she dey do at all. She don't know. I believe say she don't know what she dey do, because if she know what she dey do, she not gonna do all those things, my people. I feel for her. I feel for her. It's not easy. Thank you, everybody. My people, where would they behave well? What would they think say would they do now? They come wait for us later. 10 years is not forever. This video go come out again. The children go come see video. That time they'll grow up, even don't marry. They'll come they see all those things. Their friends will come they laugh them. My people, where would they behave well? I beg. This woman, now deliverance I feel say she need. I believe say she don't know what she dey do. I believe say she don't know what she dey do. So we will continue to pray for her, because a woman not fit just sit down with the koro high. Say na 3 men you want the jogodo at the same time. My people, thank you everybody. Please share this video for me. Share and make it go viral. Share am, I beg. Share and make many of our women where they get that kind of thought. Say they want to go do this kind of thing, make them reason am twice. Say their children go grow up, come see this thing, no. they go grow up conscious. Thank you, everybody. Take care until I come your way next time. I remain your friend, your sister, your everything. Thank you. Bye, everybody. If you like this video, give the video a thumbs up. And anything what you think about this video, just leave your comment for the comment section. Bye, everybody. Bye.